Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. So today I'll be explaining dividing fraction. So what is dividing fraction? This means that before here we will write 5.2 part 4. So dividing fraction means before describing how to divide two fractions, their reciprocal needs to be interdependent reciprocal of any fraction, and it can be obtained by swapping the numerators and denominators of the fraction, which will be on the right side. So for example, if we have 3 over 4 divided by 6 over 8, so this means that this and this number 6 and 8 will be switched, and the division will be converted into multiplication sign. So 3 over 4 multiplied by 8 divided by 6. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So this will be 2 over 2 and this will be 1. So this will be the answer. Another example will be 3 over 4 divided by 1 over 2. So when you switch this, it will be 3 over 4 multiplied by 2 over 1, and 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and so 3 over 2. But we have to make this into simple fraction, and if the numerator is bigger than denominator, then we will make this as mixed fraction. So we will write 2 and here 1 and 1. So 1 by 1 over 2. Another example for dividing fraction is 1 by 3 over 4 divided by 2 to 1 over 3. First we will expand this by making mixed fraction into fraction, then we will convert the division sign. So this will be 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7 divided by 2 threes are 6 plus 1 7. So when you convert this, it will be 7 over 4 multiplied by 3 over 7, 7 1 7 1. So this will be left with 3 over 4. So the answer will be 3 over 4. And the last example regarding dividing fraction is 5 divided by 8 divided by 2. So when you do convert division to multiplication, and over here we have only 2 as single number, always and every time below whole number there is 1, because 2 divided by 1 will be 2. So we write 2 divided by 1 and we will convert this by writing 5 over 8 multiplied by 1 over 2. So like this, and then 5 ones are 5 and 8 to 16. So the answer will be 5 over 60, and this will be the final answer. So guys, if you like this video and agree with this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and if you are not new with this video, comment down below the video and I will help you out. See you in the next video. Bye.